We're playing a little game from Right Start Math from this book here called Math Card Games. It's from Right Start Math, and they have these little cheat sheets in the back. It was in the appendix in the back, and you just print it out and you cut out these things. And these are different multiples. Like this is multiples of 1. These are multiples of 10. These are multiples of 2. And
Thank you.
anyway, so Marlo is looking for multiples of 2. It's basically a memory game, but you're only uncovering one card at a time because you're just looking for the next. So the next she'll be looking for 10. So you get to go again, right? And Blake is doing multiples of 6. And so I played this game for my son because he's learning, all of his multiplication tables, but they're not super duper solid yet. So this is like a really fun way to make it more solid. But then I wasn't thinking about including my daughter really, but she can easily play this because she has a cheat sheet. So, and the more and more you play it over and over, you just sort of learn the sequence. Okay, so that's the fun math game for today. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Say bye.